We've been having issues with the refrigerator. It doesn't stay lit. The pilot light will come on so there's gas, and it clicks so there's power. It's clicking and lighting it up, but it won't stay lit. And we're thinking that maybe the batteries aren't strong enough, but I charged those full and didn't work. So let's turn this around here and show you. I've taken this apart here, just getting this all taken apart, take this off, and do some cleaning up and poking around to see if I see anything obvious. We've already lost like $200 in food. There's no milk for coffee. I don't take milk in my coffee, but Carrie does. She doesn't get coffee. She gets real cranky. Yeah. So we'll see if anything's obvious. I'll talk to you soon. And this I have opened up. It's kind of just slides. And in here, the red wire is the ignition. That's what clicks and makes a spark. And this is the gas line. It goes in there, you can't see it from this angle, but it's got some holes that the gas comes out. I think that, I'll turn this around for you. There's this ignition wire here, and it's underneath the it's in like an exhaust tube, and it gets creosote on here, but it gets buildup. And so I'm going to take this emery board and kind of clean this. It has a sensor, and that senses, hold on, that senses that it tells the computer or whatever it is that it's lit, so that it doesn't shut off. So I'm gonna clean it and see if it makes a difference. I could take it apart, but these screws are they're on there pretty tight, and I don't want to have to deal with taking this whole thing apart. So I'm gonna try it this way first and see if it works. Just a little bit